So as you can see, this is just a number of the vehicles that we have at the minute. Beautiful Porsche Cayman 996 C4S, one of two Super Impreza STIs, our latest stock GT3 Club Sport. Beautifully maintained Alpha 156 2.5 litre Busso engine with 8 grand's worth of receipts, one of two Lotuses, a very rare 968 Club Sport with only 20,000 miles. I have a really nice Series 1 Lotus Elise with only 19,000 miles, the TVR Tamora that's pretty much been rebuilt, lovely Nissan 350Z which is just sold, and a 330 diesel Touring with, as you can see, some really nice extras, including the upgraded Alpinas. So it just gives you an idea of what's in stock here at the minute. A cold winter's day, but we're all happy and cheery here. Okay, God willing, hear from you soon.